back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and IK is in the house.
International king for all the ladies who don't know. But Dr. Ross, the DR, is in the house, and I'm not talking about Dr. Dre. Let's get into our first hot topic with Kim Kardashian and the family. They all sob over the show ending in the first Keeping Up with the Kardashians final season promo.
Stop
You'll get over
crying.
it.
Exactly. Stop crying.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Salma Hayek. She stunts in a sky-high heel with a crop top and does tequila shots.
When is Salma Hayek not getting drunk and looking scandalous? On to our next topic.
Wendy Williams shares alleged details on one-night stand with Method Man.
See, I heard about this. I really did, IK, where Wendy Williams allegedly said that she went out with a guy that went on a date with her, and he looked like a model, and that she had to let him down easy because she knew he was not the one for her.
Dr. Ross, I've got to say one thing, he probably ran away from her. Let's move
That's
into
right.
our next hot topic, or before we move into our next hot topic, keep the seat warm, Wendy Williams. You work on your documentaries.
And the thing I want to say is, we all know you paid him to sit there next to you for an hour. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Our next hot topic is with Heidi Klum. She finally does the tie-dye trend with pops of neon and controversial shoes in 2021's hot color.
Looks like she's trying to get her groove on. She's trying to make sure that people understand that she wants to be in these hot topics. Maybe if she keeps looking scandalous, she'll be our She's Hot winner.
Who knows? She might. Let's
Exactly.
move into our next hot topic with Cardi B. So Cardi B is spending tons of money on COVID-19 tests every week.
Why? Why? If you, it's gonna be a thumbs down for us because it's a
Thumbs
waste of
down.
money at this point.
Just wash your hands and stay safe. Don't go into a big crowded area.
Exactly. Another hot topic I want to mention, IK, is allegedly, you know, IK, that a few Rose and Golds back we were talking about how Megan Fox had, ran away from the Machine Gun Kelly. Personally, I think that she sees that Brian Austin Green is having a little bit of fun, and so she decided to get engaged with Machine Gun Kelly, and now she has a giant ring. People are saying allegedly they're engaged.
Dr. Ross, didn't she just break up with Machine Gun Kelly 2 weeks ago?
Exactly. That's why I'm saying, IK, I think she's just trying to see if Brian Austin Green's going to react. The good thing is that he's read IK's book and he's not reacting at all. He's actually, we don't know who he's with actually. We've seen him with 3 different girlfriends, so
But
keep
Dr.
doing it.
Ross, with Brian Austin Green, he's got it now. He just has to keep on playing and go with someone else. Because if he stops right here, he's done. He could say goodbye to the not even Brian Austin Green.
The
He
Megan.
could say goodbye to Megan as well as the long man.
You need to take those cat ears out of your head, though. That's the only thing I have to say. You're a gorgeous woman, Megan Fox, but you gotta stop taking fashion advice from the Machine Gun Kelly. On to our next topic.
Miley Cyrus jams in a teensy bedroom for her Tiny Desk concert. Now, Dr. Ross, in this photo, it looks like they filmed this in a trailer or a small spot.
Trailer park right
It
there.
looks great, Dr. Ross. Congratulations on filming your new song, Miley Cyrus. But let International King and Dr. Ross be the ones for your style, as well as the side partners in your
Exactly.
latest music video.
Partners in crime, because we do have music waiting for you in the works, and all we need is your spot in the studio. So let's get to work.
Vin Diesel teases Dwayne Johnson's return in a Fast and Furious. Now,
Yes.
Dr. Ross, we spoke about this yesterday, but Dwayne, you look pissed off right here. Let's move into our next hot topic with Britney Spears. Britney Spears sparks concerns after she dances to her ex Justin Timberlake song in a bizarre video.
Yeah.
Brittany, we know that sometimes you get off the haywire, but the thing we want to speak about is that we heard allegedly your new documentary is going to be coming out soon, and we will fill you guys in on that once it comes out onto the TV.
Shit, I don't even know. I can't even tell you that. Fighting, I don't know. Never know,
And Dr. Ross, it seems like everyone is coming out with their own documentary or book now. Salt
Right.
and Pepper recently released something, Wendy Williams is doing something,
Yeah.
and now Britney Spears is releasing something. But Britney, let us be some of the commentators in your documentary. We'll be the stars because we know that you've had stars in your shows before.
Exactly. And we remember the old Britney. We remember the true Britney that you still are.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Sarah and Jessica Parker for Sex and the City.
That's right. Well, we already know how this is going to play out, and we want to say IK and I are ready for your next episode of Sex and the City.
And we hear that there's 10 episodes. Let us be a co-star on 6 of the episodes.
These applesauce look delicious.
Ooh, I want the applesauce! I want the
Move! Get the fuck out the way, nigga! Move, bitch!
Now, Vin Diesel, we love what you're doing, but The Rock, come closer. You ever seen a watermelon? I'm gonna split your head down to the meat, down to the rind. You know the white part with the juice. But let's move into before we move into our next hot topic, don't you have a dog and a cat and your family at home? Go hug them or something.
Tom and
Go-
Jerry.
Go tend to your truck that you have.
That's right.
Let's move into our next and final hot topic for today.
For our next and final hot topic, before we get into that, we want to mention very briefly that the new Bachelor. They're saying they're adding 5 new girls to The Bachelor, and people are allegedly saying that Flavor Flav was the first African-American Bachelor. What are
First
your
of all,
thoughts?
Dr. Ross, he was a figure. And second of all, with the latest guy in there, he is a mulatto. The mother was American Caucasian. If you're wondering what I'm saying whites. And the father was African American.
That's right. A mixed breed, not even the full figure.
Exactly, the milk chocolate.
So let's get into our real final hot topic and talk about how T.I. was playing around with allegedly, Tiny's gun and surprisingly just pointed it at her friend Sabrina's head in front of all the kids. And Sabrina's mad because she's saying Tiny is taking T.I.'s side.
Dr. Ross, you know nothing. You know he wasn't going to do anything. And second of all, that was probably Tiny's gun. She probably pistol whipped.
So don't sit around. What you won't do on top of everything else is you won't lie on me. Clifford Harris put a gun in my head. Truth is, I didn't have a weapon. Truth is, I didn't call the police on him. Truth is, I didn't sue him and I could have. Truth is, I never spoke about this on the many times I could have spoke about it. That's the truth. That's the truth.
Over there,
Exactly.
when he was at the gate. Sir, listen here,
What
sir.
is your name, sir?
Not give it to you. Would you please report yourself to me, sir? Identify who you are so I can handle this with your superiors. Who are you, sir? What is your name?
Okay,
What is your name, sir?
so what happened? Like, is there a reason why?
What is your name,
And then
sir?
they picked you up and arrested you. So you need to stop playing around with guns is the first thing that I want to say. And then IK, what else you want to say about this?
Well, Dr. Ross, T.I. needs to sit down. Go
That's
back
right.
to Tiny Tim. These were all of our hot topics, but Dr. Ross wants to say, Dolly Parton Mo,
That's for you, Dolly.
let's do a film together, Dolly. That's for you. And for Kylie Jenner, the rose, as always. The golden rose and gold, as I say.
And don't forget to put your votes in for the She Is Hot winner. We all know it's tomorrow. We're waiting. We're fiending for it. And we know you guys are excited because we've been seeing all the votes. And once again, we have new orders. Again, shipping out to many places. Thank you. We have some orders coming out to New Orleans.
And
So
stay tuned
love
because
New Orleans.
the Jamaican shampoo and clothing line will be coming to a store near you soon. So stay tuned for that. But we out.